Hello everyone, welcome to Yingyong workshop. This is a joy crusher. The model is PE 600 and 900, and the motor power is 75 kilowatt. Yingyong joy crusher. Here. And this is a steel farm. The steel farm for the joy crusher. Sorry, this is the steel farm for the vibrating feeder. Vibrating feeder, and this is leathers, and this is steel farm for a joy crusher. And here is a hopper for a vibrating feeder. Here is a vibrating feeder for a and this one is a hammer crusher. And this is our test mark. This is the time. This is bearing temperature. Hammer crusher. This is a screw conveyor. Screw conveyor. Sorry, it's a screw sand washer machine. Screw sand washer machine. And this is well sand washing machine. Sand washing machine. It's a fan sander, recurring machines. And here is a impact crusher. This one is a vibrating screen. And here is a impact crusher. And this one is a hammer crusher. Europe type hammer crusher. This is a Roman mill, MTM mill, Roman mill, MTW mill. It's a vibrating feeder from Yingyong. A vibrating feeder. The Roman mill, MTM, and MTW mill. This one is a joy crusher, Europe type joy crusher, a big one. And this is a VSI sand making machine. VSI. This is a single hydraulic coin crusher. Hammer crusher. And so on. Here, this one you can see. This is the mobile type joy crusher. You can see, made by Yingyong, mobile type joy crusher. Here is a hopper, this is a feeder, and here is the joy crusher. This in power station and belt conveyor. This is the base of the mobile joy crusher. The grinding mill. This is the joy crusher, bag filter, and so on.